Welcome back to Daytime Live, the final Daytime Live before we jump into 2025.
Woohoo!
Yeah, you know, Daytime Live. Before jump into 2025.
Yes, I see you trying.
And we are still, we can't take that, change your life.
we have a few more hours before we have to do it.
So, a Jamaican-Canadian author, historian, poet, and educator who is recognized for her study of Black Canadian life and her role as a mentor and an academic, has been appointed to the Order of Nova Scotia.
Woo.
This is the highest honor in the province. Now, this week, Dr. Afua Cooper was among 5 Nova Scotians appointed to the order for the significant contributions in a broad range of fields, including the arts, heritage, philanthropy, business education, and also public service.
So for more than 25 years, Cooper has dedicated herself to research, study, teaching, and just a celebration of Black Caribbean life. She has been instrumental in the creation and definition of the emerging field of Black Canadian studies. So Cooper has played a central role in building upon the previous generation of scholars of Black Canada to move the subject to the center stage of scholarship across multiple disciplines. And the citation read all of that as they were honoring her. So, congratulations, Lady Cooper. Yeah,
Yes.
man. I love hear them something, you know. I love hear that, like the highest order, and she got it. Love it. We don't have a standing ovation thing to do, no?
Yeah.
That's the standing ovation? Wow.
In post-production, you're going
We're going to throw it, okay, and the confetti and everything. Yeah, man, so we must honor our heritage and our ancestors across the globe. I like
yes,
it.
and persons who are representing for
Yes,
the authentic Jamaican culture, because in a time when the culture seems to be fading, especially with the new generation, we need to leave these landmarks and these treasures and this knowledge in spaces where persons can get them. So the persons who are doing it, celebrate them.
Celebrate. It makes me want to ask you, how many, you think you know a lot of Jamaican proverbs?
I know some.
Some? Any comes to mind right now?
Sorry for Maga Dog.
Oh, because you get that a lot. Oh, okay. People say that to you a lot. You're the maga dog in that proverb. Statement
If you lay
pieces.
with dogs,
I don't think that's Jamaican.
it, please.
I don't think that's
Is that
Jamaican.
the same day?
Yeah.
If you drop in the water, it rotten.
You know what? Now, this video that we're going to look at is very fun. It's a Jamaican mother, since, you know, we're trying to get more Jamaican out of Dufton. This Jamaican mother is playing with her kids with their first playhouse. So let's take a look.
Where's the fried chicken? Where's my Bobby fried chicken? Where is the Bobby fried chicken? Hello, what rice and peas down there? Come, sir. Hello, hurry up with the dumpling, please. We need the dumpling. Well, I'm 40 hours a dumpling to come up. We need to have it ready.
What does the baby do? Make it mashed potatoes?
The baby, I put in the ingredients and I do the thing.
Yeah,
I love it. Yeah. I used to play Dolly House too. Play house.
Me used to play Dolly House too.
No, you're Dolly House different, Dufton.
No?
Maga dog, I mean Dufton. You're
No, we
Dolly
used to-
House
we used to
different.
cook.
Right?
Mr. Cook.
You have some shout outs.
Yeah, listen, I would like to give a big shout out to every umbrella that was at you with Mona Bowl on Saturday.
Yeah.
I would also like to, two things. One, our producer would like to give a special shout out to the gentleman that actually assisted her when her vehicle couldn't start, to give her a jump start. They are promoting the truck show that will be happening tomorrow, January 1st. So she sends her undying love and appreciation.
She's so grateful.
She's so grateful.
That they helped her at Grateful. Got you. Yes.
You understand what I'm saying? So make sure, and she's praying that your plate will be full for the new
Plate full, yes.
And I would like to give a big shout out to Jamaica on a whole. Like during this season, there are a lot of events that have been going on. And you haven't heard on a wholesome scale
Any issues?
about any issues. You know, a lot of accidents and all that. So I'm just saying, let us continue this vibe.
Yep.
We'll finish the season strong.
And start the season strong.
And start the
maintain
season
it strong.
Maintain it strong.
Yeah.
So it's a good vibe. I want to say, shout out to my family. My family's here for Christmas for this period. So, mommy, well, my pops ain't here.
He's abroad?
Mommy, yes. Mommy, Diane, Dwight, Dwayne, their wives, kids, everybody.
Okay.
They're good vibes. So big up the Shepherd clan, you know what I mean?
And they deal with you, so it's a big up for them. Absolutely. Yes. Very strong family there, I tell you.
You know, say, as if for 2025, you're going to book your to a lot.
I bought my toe a lot now, and
Yeah,
it's
man.
okay. I get up and I brush off and I keep it going.
Your liquor tour, you're going
Right? No. Okay. Go to the break, Dufton.
Daytime Live will be right back since Sonic has no shout out. There's nobody at all who likes
I
her.
have too many.
And when we come back, we'll be taking a look at some of our detailed favorite moments of 2024.